Hello everyone and welcome back. A lot have happened since the last video, and it will be some booting in this video after I explain everything here. Unfortunately, I didn't film anything about it, but it involved all these carburetors here. I was test driving the Insane, and it works very well, but when I do full throttle, then the engines start to lose some force, and the ventilation to the carburetors are clogged up. And I think it depends on these hoses here. After a while, I think the problem is in the hoses. When it's happened, I have no clue. I don't think these hoses like the ethanol. It's only air in them, so I didn't care. But I think that's the problem anyway, because I get some dirt in the carburetor that clogged in this hose. This hose here, and it's only ventilation from the carburetor, so it shouldn't be any problem. But it's clogged up, and when it's clogged up, I don't get any fuel in here. So I disassemble this on the same day I should go. I did it several times before I realized the hose was the problem. And the thing was that I broke this area. This is the area I have repaired before. This time I couldn't get this on anymore because it was too short. I have shortened it more. I jerry-rigged it and did some MacGyver solution and did get one turn on it. And I have driven with that the whole summer, and it's hold on. So later on here I'm going to try to put on this carburetor instead of that one. It's not quite the same carburetor, because this is from an older Force engine and this is from a Mercury, but they are the same attachment in this point and in this point. There are some difference in between here. I actually bought another carburetor that was the exact the same, but that guy tricked me, so he only got my money and I got no carburetor, and that sucks. But we're going to try to fix this in a later episode. But I think this should do it. It should be that long. This is too short. That's my fix, to shorten it up and put some more of those to fill up the distance between. But that way I got some fuel going under here, and it's a lot of smoke when I drive it, and it takes a lot of fuel. So I'm going to try to fix this by rebuild this one with pieces from this one, if I can't get the right carburetor for a good price. The Force engine has ventilation here. On the Mercury it's plugged. The Mercury has the air mixture here. On the Force it's over here, and that one is plugged on the Mercury. Hard to see here, but down here is a plugged channel, but it's open on the Mercury. Here we are at Stockholm and going to watch Poker Run Open. I didn't film anything the day before because I was not in the mood. I have worked all the day and went to the boat. Then the Insane didn't work and I broke the carburetor trying to fix it. The hours went by and it was dark and late before we ended up here.
just pretend. I know that it has to end. Maybe we could just pretend. Just pretend. I know that it has to end. Maybe we could just pretend.
So I didn't film so much yesterday, but we are outside Nyköping. Linda is cooking some dinner, and I think I prepare the boat for leaving, or I do everything and we just leave. We do a short trip out to somewhere around Trosa, Askö, maybe farther up. Let's see on the way where we get. So hang along. In a condition like this, it's easy. Just take your time and take one line at a time. It was more interesting to do the docking in the dark yesterday, because the map shows it's some underwater rocks on either side of this docking, and you can't see them in the dark. I want to do some distance today, and the time is already 1:30. So I want to get moving right away before it gets too late.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again.
Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. That's always nice. Bye bye.